This is a 2011 Ford Fusion. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and an inline four-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, a 6-speaker audio system, a 4-wheel independent suspension, dusk-sensing headlights, side curtain airbags, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 34,000 miles. With an EPA estimated rating of 29 miles per gallon on the highway, it doesn't compromise fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Larry Hill Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2496 South Lee Highway in Cleveland.